What's up? So I'm here with my friend Mr. PCC. He knows all about trolley cars, and he's going to tell us what all this stuff is in the sweeper. Hold on. So this is the inside of the sweeper. Tell us what's going on here, Andrew.
Okay, so you know how truck motors are under the car on the truck wheel? This is the broom motor, and they don't
This is the broom motor. Go ahead.
And they don't have room under the car, so they put it up here. And under here, you can't really see it, but this is the controller.
That's a controller for the broom.
It's kind of like that.
Right. So up there is the forward controls, okay? This is controlled at both ends. So there's a controller there, and this controller here powers the broom, and this is the broom motor, okay? So what do we got going on here?
These are the air tanks.
Air tanks?
Yeah.
So this car,
Yeah,
go ahead. What operates air in this car?
Alright, so when you hear the car going, when you put
Right.
the pole, it's sucking air into these, and when you apply the brakes, the air from here applies the brakes.
So the brakes are air operated. Okay. And these things hanging on the walls are some type of resistors
Yeah, not really sure.
that maybe they cool down the motors. I don't know.
Possibly, yeah.
All this is original, 1923, man. So there's a forward broom and a rear broom. So there's like an A end and a B end, okay, of the car, and both ends go forward and back. And there's just a broom set here and a broom set in the other end of the car. And this is the inside of the car. It's what, 40 feet long?
Something like that.
Yeah. All inside here, it's hard to say, but it's all original in here. This is how it would look in 1923 when this thing would be going down the street, doing doing the snow. And there used to be, I think on one of the sides here, used to be a plow, and there would be a plow guy that operated the plow. So yeah, it's cool. Let's go outside. So what we got going there, Andrew? What is that thing?
Alright,
That box.
when you put the car in emergency, or in some cars you push down on the brake handle, this is the sandbox, and the sand in here goes onto the rails to create
Get
friction,
traction and friction.
help stop making
So yeah,
stuff.
so even the old cars, like the new cars, rely on sand for traction. So do trains. Sand. It's important. Helps you stop. Get traction. So I don't know if you can hear me, but it's done. The outside is done. Just finished up the white section right before. Let's go walk over there. From here to here is where we stopped to the last time, from here to the point. And this windowsill here needed to be made, well, fitted, and this whole section of white needed to be put in. That's it, man. It's a glorious day. Made some ash steps. It's nice, I don't know, 2-inch thick ash steps. They'll get painted black. Still need to get worked on. Little trim will go here. A decorative trim here. Decorative plate here. This is the sill to get in and out. Steps. A broom goes here. Some parts were missing, and they just need to rehang it. So that's it for this part. Next, I got to make all new windows. 16 windows in total. So, and I'll do that at the shop. 16 of them. That'll be fun. Be easy. That's it, man. This is the sweeper, 1923, baby. Still going. Still runs strong. Everything operates. The brooms operate. Yeah, they use it as a work car sometimes. They use it to tow other trolleys around when they break down or when they need to move them and they don't want to power them up. So, oh man, it's been we got here at 8 o'clock. It's 3:30, so it was a good long day. It's not too bad. It's hot out, but there's a nice breeze, which is refreshing because it can be bad here. Like home, humid and nasty. Sun's out. You can see, let's go over here. Set up a little workstation, have a tent, so it's nice. Table saw, miter saw, and it's nice to work under here in the sun. Gives you a little break, and it's been a good day. There's the rest of the cars. Next project is 2168. Next project. For the most part, some of this body work needs to be done. Some guys are going to do that. My work will be replacing these old doors. Some of them are bad. It's no big deal. It's pretty straightforward work. These are plywood, like a marine grade plywood for these doors. And there's some special work done to them they're unique in the way that they go together. But that's the next project. Put some doors on this car. For me, woodworking wise. That's it, man. Hope you guys found this interesting. If you're ever in the Baltimore area when this place is open, this place will not be open until probably Christmas time when Santa Claus comes. Because they're doing work out on the main road here, and that's going to be until November. They're putting in new sewer lines and all kinds of stuff. But this is a cool place to come and see. They have a great collection of cars. Some they have an old horse-drawn trolley, a horse-drawn trolley that was converted to electric. Yeah, it's a cool place. Come and see it. Thanks again. Be well, be blessed. See ya.